Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off autofill with Google on your Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select the security and privacy tile. And then go down again to the bottom underneath other settings and select more security and privacy. And then go down under autofill service from Google, saved passwords, credit cards, addresses. Go ahead and select that. So if you want to disable autofill, just click inside this oval one time until it's grayed out, and that means it's off as you see on my screen. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.